This time, I'm doing something different. No clippers will be used to complete this hairstyle. I'm combining 2 Vern scissors for this cut. On one side, I use my left hand with the scissors over comb cutting technique, while on the other side, I use my right hand, resulting in a very natural effect at the ends. For different sections of the haircut, I alternate between my left and right hands. This technique is incredibly convenient, doesn't hinder hand positioning during cutting, and results in symmetrical hairflow that's easy to control. This is what makes Vern's ambidextrous both-handed faultless cutting technique so unique. I particularly use Vern Curved Scissors to refine the hairstyle's contours, especially in creating rounded edges. The curved blades allow for precise detailing, making the final look more natural and better fitting. Using 2 Vern Styling Scissors combined together, I create three-dimensional and wispy effects in the hairstyle by executing slanting cuts. At the top, I start with slanting cuts and then move on to trimming the hair length using the Texturizing To Cut technique. The hairstyle is now fully adjusted for volume, so the only thing left is to trim the hair length, achieving a fantastic wispy finish at the ends. This simple method and toolset make it easy to quickly and perfectly complete this hairstyle.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.